Morning students, this is 12th Zoology video class, first video of this day. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4, Principles of Inheritance and Variations. In this chapter we have started inheritance of X-linked gene. In that X-linked gene, just we have completed hemophilia. Hemophilia is commonly known as bleeder disease. It was identified by John Cato in 1803. Hemophilia is caused by a recessive X-linked gene. A person with a recessive gene for hemophilia lack a normal blood clotting substances in blood. Hence, a minor injuries cause continuous bleeding leading to death. This is we call as a hemophilia. The next one we are going to see color blindness. Color blindness. In human being, dominant X-linked gene is necessary for the formations of color sensitive cell. Color sensitive cell. Okay, so now what is color sensitive cell? There in our retina there are rod cells and cone cells are there. The cone cells are responsible to see the color blue, green, red. The recessive form of this gene is incapable of producing color sensitive cells like cone cells. So because of inability to producing of cone cells in the retina, they cannot able to identify the color image. That is we call as a color blindness. Homozygous recessive female and hemizygous recessive males are unable to distinguish red-green color. Unable to distinguish red-green color. The inheritance of color blindness can be studied in the following two types of marriage. One is this, I'll show you. Marriage between color blindness. Marriage between color blindness and normal visioned women. Here, if you see the parent one, they are normal female one. X plus X. And another one male, color blind, XC and XC, small letter C. And gametes, they have XX, X plus and XC and YC. Okay, and here, if you see a marriage between a color blind man and a normal vision woman will produce normal vision male and female individuals. If you see F1 generation, they produce normal female, normal male. In F1 generation, there is no infection. No one is just infected by any color blindness. But in F1 generations, the females are the carrier one. Females are the carrier. What is carrier? Since they don't infect by color blindness, but they are the carrier, where they can transmit the disease from F1 generation to F2 generations. A marriage between F1 normal visioned carrier woman, and a normal vision male will produce one normal vision female, one carrier female, here one normal female, they produce normal vision male will produce one normal vision female, one carrier female, one normal vision male and one color blindness. Can you see here? So normal female, normal male, normal but carrier female, color blindness male. So this is what we call as F2 generations. F2 generations. Here the color blind trait is inherited from male parents to his grandson through carrier daughter, which is an example of criss-cross pattern of inheritance. As we had discussed earlier, criss-cross means from mother to the disease which are infected by the disease which comes from male, colorblind male. So that male just crossed by transfer by female one. Female one, that female just transmitted the disease into male one. So father to male, female, again male. So this is what we call as a criss-cross inheritance. The next one, marriage between normal vision man and a colorblind woman. Normal vision man and marriage between colorblind man and normal vision woman. Here the colorblind female and normal male. Colorblind female and normal male, they getting married. The gametes have been produced here. Can you see the gametes have been produced here? And F1 generation, they get normal female and colorblind male. But normal female are the carrier one. Carrier for the F2 generations. And they produce gametes. And when they get F2 generations, they are producing the 4 children. That first one normal but carrier female. Second one normal male. And third one colorblind female. And fourth one colorblind male one. Here what it shows, if a colorblind woman XC marries a normal vision male, X plus Y, all F1 sons will be colorblind. All F1 sons will be, that male is the one colorblind, that's what they say here. All F1 sons will be colorblind. And daughter will be a normal vision but they carrier. Here, this is what the daughter one female, they are normal but they are carrier one. Whereas colorblind male, they infect. Marriage between F1 generations, okay, if we see F1 generations, the marriage between F1 carrier female with a colorblind male will produce a normal vision carrier daughter, colorblind daughter, normal vision son and a colorblind son in F2 generation. So in this way, just we are seen how the color blindness just dominant to the X-linked gene. So X-linked gene is necessary for the formations of color sensitive cells. So where does this color sensitive cells produce? In the retina. Which type of cells are used for the productions of color cells? Means cone cells. Just keep in mind. And the next topic is the one inheritance of Y-linked gene. Inheritance of Y-linked gene. So the picture what I am showing is the one, the X-linked recessive carrier mother, what you are seeing so far. This is a picture where you can understand better. And this is also the affected father and unaffected mother. This is also X-linked carrier. And this X-linked recessive carrier mother, where you can see the picture and you can able to understand the concept of X-linked recessive gene. And this is also X-linked dominant inheritance and X-linked recessive inheritance. Okay, the next topic is the one inheritance of Y-linked gene. Inheritance of Y-linked gene. Here, a gene in the non-homologous regions of Y chromosomes are inherited directly from male to male. So you're not homologous means what? Homologous means X is the one homologous one. Homologous regions of chromosomes. Here XY is the one male one. Here non-homologous. Here non-homologous. So they are inherited directly from male to male. In humans, the Y-linked or holocentric genes for hypertrichosis. Okay, it means excessive development of hair on pinna of the ear. The person one who is having hypertrichosis, they will be having more hair on the pinna of the ear. Or transmitted directly from father to son, because male inherit the X chromosome from the father. the female inherits only X chromosome from father and are not affected. Okay, the Y chromosomes which comes from the father, so that sense, okay, they may get the hair in the external ear of the pinna, whereas if the Y comes from the father, means it doesn't affect the next generations. That's what they say, the inheritance of X-linked gene. Inheritance of X-linked gene. One, just go through this topic. Okay, today we have discussed inheritance of X-linked gene. In that inheritance of X-linked gene, we have seen what is hemophilia and who was found or discovered the hemophilia, John Cato, thereof 1803, and we have seen what is hemophilia, and next we have seen what is color blindness. Okay, color blindness is caused by due to dominant X-linked gene. Okay, formations of color sensitive cells of the cone cells, that's we have seen. And in that one, color blindness, how the X-linked gene is just carrier, that we have seen marriage between color blind man and normal vision woman. And another one, we have seen marriage between normal vision man and color blind woman, we have seen. And X-linked, inheritance of X-linked gene, we have seen in this. Okay, just go through all these topics. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. The next topic is the one karyotyping. Next topic is the one karyotyping. So this karyotyping, we'll discuss what is karyotyping. Karyotyping is a technique through which a complete set of chromosomes is separated from a cell and the chromosomes are arranged in a pair. That is we call as a karyotyping. That is we call as a karyotyping one. Here, this is what we call as a karyotyping. Okay, here, this is what we call as a karyotyping. Karyotyping is a technique through which a complete set of chromosomes is separated from. Okay, so which complete set of chromosomes separated from a cell, and the chromosomes arranged in a pair. That is we call as a karyotyping. This is important to mark. Just learn this one, and remaining things just we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, bye. Take care.